What's up, YouTube cleaners? This video is basically to talk about the whole coronavirus situation here and how it affects carpet cleaners. Tomorrow night at 5 we're gonna have a mandatory lockdown, pretty much, all except for for essential businesses, banks, safety, law enforcement. And guess what, guys? Carpet cleaners too, because we fall under the exempt for health and sanitation, safety and sanitation, actually. So if you're wondering about that, if that's going to happen in your area, and it's going to like throw you off guard, well, I got on the phone, I made some phone calls and finally got into a hotline and got the confirmation, and yeah, thank God. But the problem is, phone hasn't been ringing the last couple days, so I'm a little nervous about that. But luckily I put a little money aside, and it should last me a little while. I'm thinking when people start getting used to the situation and start saying, okay, well, I do need to get some stuff done. So anyway, so that's what I'm doing. Organizing, getting stuff together, working on my website, addressing the situation on my website, social media, making a video, so I can spread on social media to advertise in this area, talking about the coronavirus and how, sanitation and things we can do to help out, with kill some of them germs and viruses and stuff like that. So this is just what I'm doing, and I know there's a lot of other carpet cleaners out there in my situation, because I'm going through Facebook, going through Cleaners Connect, and seeing what people. Some people are just, they got it. They're busy, happy, and they don't understand what's everybody panicking about. But a lot of us, we don't have it like that yet, guys. So congratulations to you. Luckily, I've been depending on a little bit of work from property management, so that's always something that keeps going. People are always moving, so think about that, guys. If you're in good with some property management, give them a call, shout out to them, and ask them, if they probably might have something coming up here pretty soon, and maybe they might move forward for you. So that's one resource. Until then, working on your business, cleaning your equipment. Let me go right out here. I gotta clean this thing again because it's been rainy all week and it is dirty, and I can go through and clean up all my equipment and everything. I do have a job tomorrow. I got a hardwood floor cleaning and carpet, and the lady actually called me and let me know about what was going to be going on tomorrow. So I immediately said, oh dang, I need to look into that. So I say, what's up to Rowdy? What's up, Rowdy? What's up? Wanna go for a walk? That's mean, huh? Anyway, so that's it for this video. Hope you guys got something out of it. Just short, and I figured if I'm worried about something or working on something, there's going to be other carpet cleaners out there that's probably thinking the same way, kind of like if you're in class and you don't want to raise your hand because you don't want to embarrass yourself and look like the dummy. Well, I'm raising my hand. So anyway, have a good one. We'll see you in the next video. Go ahead and like, subscribe, and comment. Alright, and if you guys got any helpful tips or anything like that to kind of get you through this situation, maybe hustle up some business, go ahead and comment below. Share this video, and we'll see you in the next one.